The Share File tool is great, but there's even more you can do with sharing in 3DEXPERIENCE. Let's take a look. First, 2 tips that we should cover within the workflow from the Share File tool. After sharing a file, if you modify the design in SolidWorks and then click on the tool again, you're given the option to either update the existing link or start a new one. If you update, the comments history is maintained. The 3D Drive panel is reopened for you once the file is updated, so you can add comments about the update that was made or copy the link again to share. Now, in case you close the 3D Drive panel, let's see again how to access it. On the top bar of My Session, click on the name of the collaborative space and then select More Apps and Roles. This opens the compass and you can pick the 3D Drive app to add it to My Session. Remember that there's a folder named Shared with External that's created where everything goes created with the Share File tool. When you select any file or folder, there's a toolbar that shows at the top, and on the far right is the Information button. That's where you'll find Share with External. You can give access to additional people here by adding their email, and you can also go into any of those and revoke the access if needed. Now, currently, when we share an assembly, the format is 3DXML or one of the neutral file formats. So if you want to share the assembly and all its components in native SolidWorks format, here's how you can do that. We'll use Pack and Go first, just like you've always done it. You can get all the files together you need, including drawings, toolbox components, whatever, and save those to either a folder or a zip file. Then go back to 3D Drive, still in SolidWorks, and we'll go to that Shared with External folder. From the New button, we can upload files or entire folders, and we can share that folder and everything in it the same way. Just activate the external link and add their emails. Use copy link to let them know and point them to the file or folder, since an email is not automatically sent this way. As an extra pro tip, if you install the 3D Drive for Windows app, you can save or pack and go directly into that folder that syncs to 3D Drive and then control your sharing, skipping this upload step. Now, the tool right next to Share with External is to add internal members from your 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Here, you'll just add them by name and a notification will be sent to them. Remember, this is part of 3D Drive, so you can access it from any web browser. Now, you can use the 3D Drive app and add it to any dashboard tab, sure, but it's also always there on the top bar. So the content icon here will take you directly there, and you can see your files and interact with the comments, even review the markups. When done, just close the flyout and you're back to your standard dashboard. Now you know a few of the ways that you can take Share and Markup further.